everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be guiding you through an easy process on how to log out of your KuCoin account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in www.kucoin.com and press enter in order to end up in the home page for KuCoin. If you're already logged into your account and you'd like to log out of it but don't know how, then the process is quite easy. From the main home page, mouse over to your profile initial at the top right, this little circle over here, and you'll be able to see the expanded pop-up. Click on the log out button and you'll be logged out and end up in the official main homepage of KuCoin. That is how you can easily log out of your account. To log in back again, click the login button and enter your credentials in the text boxes and you'll be good to go. That was how you can easily sign out or log out of KuCoin. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.